this example, and this is common actually with large, billion-dollar companies that we're working with, they have a lot of instructor-led training content because, of course, traditionally we had instructor-led training years ago, but their clients continued to attend instructor-led training. But of course, as we went through the pandemic, that started to shift to virtual. Now their clients are asking for more options. And so they needed to take their instructor-led training courses, which were still great content, but turn them into e-learning. So they had to consider, where do we add images? How can we add audio for the auditory learners? How can we add video content and interactive components, test questions? So huge effort when you have a 3 to 5 day class that's like hundreds and hundreds of pages of content. And so now they can feed that into AI platforms. The AI platform can digest that instructor-led training content, apply a built-in framework for learning, click of a button, add a lot of those interactive elements. So things like flip cards are common, process view that someone can click through and see the different steps of the process. Maybe a tab view that organizes the content with some visual elements or video content. Auto-generate the test questions, big time saver there. I usually estimate it takes 10 test questions, probably take about a half an hour to build if you know how to build test questions. So sometimes even subject matter experts and others don't exactly know how to build a test question, so that can be tough. So the AI can serve up to you some suggestions, which we of course saw with this large client. Break the course into micro learning. So that's another option that some learners are looking for the full training. Some learners are looking for smaller chunks of those modules. And of course, companies, including life science companies, want to be able to serve up different options for different learning styles. And then the ability, if you have e-learning, of course, you need a place to host it. So you need a tool or technology that can help you either export as SCORM. Of course, if you're using the LEA platform in SkillJar, you can publish direct, which is pretty cool. Or you need the ability to host that somewhere so that the learners can log in, take the training, take the test questions, and then you, as the learning organization, can gather the data behind to see how learners are learning the material.